What's going on, guys? It's Kyle, the how-to guy 123 here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to multi-stream using Restream.io. If you don't know what multi-streaming is, it's basically when you're able to stream on multiple streaming platforms at the same time. So for example, you can stream on both YouTube and Twitch at the same time. You can stream on YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, Ustream, a whole bunch of different platforms all at the same time for free. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So to begin, I'll have a link in the description below for Restream.io. And then once you're on this page, you're going to want to make an account. So, and here's enter your name, email, and password. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So once you've signed up and you're logged in, you'll see a page that looks something like this. And you'll see a bunch of tabs up here. For example, dashboard, titles, social alerts, monitor, analytics, and launch chat app. So first we'll focus on dashboard. So here you'll see welcome to Restream, add channels, and start streaming. So click on the orange button here that says add channel, and this is where we're going to add our streaming platforms. So you'll see a whole bunch here. I believe there's over 30 of them, and you can stream on all of these for free. Down here you'll see pay platforms, so these are the ones you have to pay to stream on. For example, Facebook. Custom RTMP, what this is if there's a streaming platform that Restream doesn't allow you to stream on, you would choose this one. And then I actually never heard of these ones, to be honest. But anyways, you'll see all these ones here, which you can stream on for free. One more thing I'm going to mention real quick is that another paid feature of Restream is you can pay to stream on, for example, let's say you have 2 YouTube accounts and you want to stream on both of them at the same time. Right now you can only choose 1 YouTube account, 1 Twitch account, but if you want to stream on 2 YouTube accounts, you're able to pay for that feature on Restream, which is kind of cool. So right now we're going to go ahead and connect our first streaming platform, and in this case I'm going to choose YouTube. So I'm going to choose YouTube Gaming. I actually don't think it matters. If you want to stream on YouTube, it doesn't matter which one you pick here. You'll see a couple here, but I'm going to choose YouTube Gaming. And then you'll see YouTube Gaming platform, connect YouTube Gaming. So click on the big red button here, and this is going to connect our YouTube channel. And I'm going to connect it to my second channel here, my second gaming channel. So sign into your account, click the channel you want to connect, and then click allow. So this is going to allow Restream to connect to our YouTube channel. And then when it's done, it's going to bring us back to Restream, and you'll see here YouTube stream now, and you'll see your channel name. So this means that we have successfully added YouTube to Restream.io. Next we're going to add our second streaming platform. So go back up here and click add channel, and this time I'm going to choose Twitch and then connect Twitch. And now we're going to authorize Twitch, or we're going to authorize Restream.io to connect to Twitch. So click authorize. And there we go. We've now successfully connected my Twitch to Restream.io. Now if you want to add any more of these, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, I'm just going to choose YouTube and Twitch. So now I'll show you how to connect Restream to your broadcasting software. So first on the dashboard tab, come down here to stream key, and you're going to want to copy this stream key here. Make sure you don't give it to anyone, because that means they'll be able to stream on any of your channels, no problem, with just having the key here. So you don't want to give this to anybody. So I'm going to reset this after I've uploaded this video, or before I've uploaded this video. So don't try and stream on my YouTube and Twitch. So you're going to want to go to your broadcasting software. I use OBS. I think everybody uses OBS. I'm actually just going to disable the preview real quick, just so that it's kind of annoying there. And then you're going to want to go to settings. Now make sure you have your settings all nice and finished before you do this. Maybe in another video I'll go through all the settings, the best settings to stream on Twitch with. But anyways, you're going to want to go to the stream tab, and then under stream type choose streaming services. And under service, you're going to want to choose Restream.io. And then under server, you're going to want to choose, you can either leave it on auto detect and I'll choose the best server based on your location, or you can manually choose the server closest to you. So for example, I live in Toronto, Canada, so I would choose NA East Toronto, Canada. Then under stream key, this is where you're going to want to paste your stream key. So highlight it and then click paste, and just make sure that it's all good and has pasted properly, and then click apply and OK, and there we go. So before we start streaming, we're going to want to go back to Restream, and then we can now go up to the titles tab. What this tab does is it's going to change the title on all of our platforms automatically, so we don't have to go to them individually to change the title. So just type in your title here. We'll do Restream video test. Sure. And then click update all, and it's gonna update the title on all of your streaming platforms. And you can click edit and you can update them automatically. You might want to go to the Twitch one and then click edit and update your game. And then click close, click update and close. Next we'll go to the social alerts tab. What this tab does is you can connect your Twitter, Discord, Facebook, and what this will do is when you start streaming, it will post a post to them or a notification to these accounts saying that you started to stream. So that's kind of cool if you want that. Next we'll go to the monitor tab. This tab will show you just all of your past streams, and if you click on one, it'll show you all of the kind of technical statistics of them. Under the analytics tab, this is kind of all of your viewer information. So if we go to all time, this kind of shows you all of the information about your viewers, average stream duration, average chat messages, popular phrases in the chat, things like that, which is kind of cool. Next we'll go back to our dashboard tab and then click on launch chat app. What this is going to do is it'll open in a new tab and it'll show all the messages that you get on let's say someone posts a comment on YouTube and someone posts a comment on Twitch. They'll both show up here in one place, which is very handy to have, so you don't have to keep switching back and forth between platforms to see all of your comments. You can, if you want, you can make it so it only shows one platform or specific platforms at one time, or you can have them both selected. And if you go to settings, you can change how this looks, so make it the way you want it. So that's kind of all there is to it. Now we can actually go ahead and start streaming. So if we go back to OBS, I actually just turned on my Xbox and turned on some Halo 3 on the Master Chief Collection. So make sure you have your scenes and sources all set up the way you want them, and then go ahead and click start streaming. So there we go, we can see that we are live. So if we go over to Restream, you'll see under the stream monitor, we've been streaming for 7 seconds. And under the YouTube and Twitch, it should say online. It's kind of buggy. Sometimes it takes a second to register that your stream is online. And for some reason right now it's saying unknown. But if we actually go to my YouTube channel and we refresh, you can see Restream video test. And you can see that we got Halo going. Now if we go over to Twitch, I've been having some issues with Twitch today. It says the Twitch machine got unplugged. I don't know why. It's been doing that a little bit today when I was testing this before, so let's keep trying. But usually I have no problems with this elsewise or any other time. Alright, so I just refreshed the page a little bit, and now we can see we are on Twitch, and we're on YouTube, Twitch, YouTube, and that we are online. Like I said, it should say it's online, but it takes a couple seconds or a couple minutes to register that's actually online. But as you can see, it is working perfectly fine. If I move around, there is a bit of a delay, but that's normal with all streams. So I'm moving around on my Xbox right now. You can see I'm moving around my Xbox, and it's gonna take some. There's a little bit of a delay, but that's normal with all streams. So yeah, that's basically it. You can see we're on Twitch again, and we're on YouTube, and and I forgot one more thing. You can open the chat, and we got our chat going right here. So that's basically all there is to it, to multi-streaming, and that brings us to the end of the video. If this helped, leave a like. If it didn't help, leave a dislike. Subscribe if you'd like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video.